bees this morning. Electric fence so the bears don't get the honey. See how well they're doing. How the sugar water is that I made up for them yesterday. Here's the hive. So they live, and then yesterday I made them all. Okay, so there's no dead bees in there. I don't see no drowned ones. See, they're all getting their little nectar off of that sugar water that I've made. I put sugar at the bottom of that bowl, and then put the bowl with regular water. See, and they'll just sit there and be good. You can even pet them. If you're real gentle, I mean, you're gentle and you gotta move slow, but that's all really good sugar water for them right there. They're loving it. Getting soaked up onto the rock and all that stuff. You put all this stuff in there so they don't drown. But there's our little beekeeper so far. Look at that one. He's down in there like getting some of that nectar. They're like, man, this dude is hooking it up. You know? See them taking their little tongue out? And they keep passing, they pass on all that information to the hive, like where this is at, even though it's up close. It's called the woggle dance or wiggle dance or whatever. Now the sun's hit them, dude. I mean, I'll come back here in about an hour and that thing's gonna be swarmed with bees. Swarmed.